Hi guys, I'm Pooja Dhingra and I am a pastry chef and the owner and founder of Le 15 Patisserie in Mumbai. I've been spending a lot of time in my home kitchen with my family. We've been cooking a lot, we've been baking a lot, and I've been trying to teach people how to bake through all my Instagram and my social media. The key is to stick to really simple ingredients to make sure that everything we're making is easy and that people who don't even have ovens at home can make something to get them a little bit of joy and happiness. So the recipe I'm going to show you is actually my sister-in-law's, who is a nutritionist. And so how do I blend taste with nutrition? So these are energy balls, and let's see how it's done. This is my 3-ingredient recipe, guys. We have 1 cup of cashews, half a cup of dates. I've taken the seeds out. And the third ingredient is cocoa powder. So we're making these cashew date bites. So I'm just going to take a nice 2 spoons of cocoa powder. And this is what it should look like. I've just put it in and blended it, and now we're going to make balls out of this. So there you have it, guys. These are my energy bites. I love to always make some and keep them in my fridge so I can reach out for them whenever I have a sweet craving. And it's very easy. You can replace the cashews with almonds or peanuts. And yeah, I hope they bring some joy in your life. Enjoy.